Yo, what up? So, today is currently Thanksgiving, but I ain't wearing my Thanksgiving clothing. So, I didn't work on the car yesterday because I had to wait for my boy Bash to give me the valve spring tool. I don't have it. I need to order that because, RB things. But, yeah, I had to wait for him to give me that. He was busy, so I don't blame him. Right now, I'm about to go put some gas, start heading to Benji's garage, and start putting these valves in so I can at least put the head in today. I don't want to do too much work today. Today's a holiday, I kind of want to be with my family and everything. So definitely going over there, putting the valves in and the heads and everything, like the cam head and everything. I'm definitely gonna record that. So I'll see you guys at the garage. All right, just made it. He not here. He went to ATL. So I'm waiting for his mom to come out and open the garage for me. I don't want to be too loud. I don't want to be rude. It's Thanksgiving. So, yeah. So, I'll be filming the car once she opens the garage. See you guys in a minute. Alright, so in my last video, I know you guys remember, valve was done. You guys are going to be able to see this back to back because I'm kind of post it back to back daily. Today is Thanksgiving, but I'm not posting it today. I will be posting it after Saturday. So after Saturday is when the review is going to come towards Chums, so that'll be great. Boom. So this is the valve. Look at that. Dunzo. So we're going to be putting the new valves in today. Boom, here they are, brand new. I'm gonna make them look brand new in a second though, cause I gotta seat them and everything. So I'll be doing that now. I'll get back to you guys when I'm kind of installing. I don't want to bore you guys with the seating stuff. Just valve grinding compound and just bullshit. All right, but see you guys in a second. Oh, and I forgot, yo. No cap, bro, he's calling me. He's been calling me, right? He's like, oh, he's like, yo, I've made a little bit of money because one of my other boys been hooking him up with like little side jobs and stuff. So he's like, yo, I made this much money. Like, what should I order? Send me the things for the valves. Like, nah, you don't, you don't got enough. I was like, you don't got enough. And he was like, all right. But he could definitely hold that money down and do something else that he wanted to do with the car, which is go 5-lug conversion. He could buy suspension with that money. Like he's almost there, so he does need new suspension and he does want new wheels, so he could do that with that. I don't want to take that money to do anything else. I do need a new timing belt. I'm not able to get one today because obviously it's a holiday. A lot of stores are closed, so I'm gonna try to get this belt. It's obviously a Japan motor, but we should be able to find something that's similar to size. So let's put this valve in, let's put this head in, let's get it. Time to watch me put this head back in the water. So got that brand new gas. Ooh, look how fresh that is. So this is literally gonna go like this. Boom, pow, right? So they usually have this right here. This is OEM, so they usually have this right here, and this goes facing up towards the back. So we also have guide pins, which obviously there's one right here, there's one back there. Right, because you wanna get that in correctly. Heavy ass, I gotta do this shit for myself. Heavy ass head. That shit heavy. So. I didn't take off the headers either, so that doesn't help. Yo, to do this by yourself is like really hard. And then this hood, I should have took this hood off, bro. This hood is most definitely in my way. Cause what I would do is, right? Get right in here. Like this. Oh. Oh yeah. Damn, I think the head gas came with the guide. Boy. Boy. There we go. There we go. So, oh. So there's a flat side. Alright, hold on. Let me show you right now. So there's two sides of this, right? Alright, boom. There's a flat side, and then there's like around the side. Flat side is always gonna go down. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna put these in. One. So what I do is that just get them in there. Now it's time to torque everything down. Alright guys, I got my handy dandy Harbor Freight Pittsburgh, not sponsored, torque wrench. You know what I'm saying? I usually do it in 4 to 5 steps. I start off at 20, work my way up. 20, 40, 60, 80, and then I finish off at 95 usually. So once again, looking for this tool, bro. I always do this to myself. So the extension, right, boom. And I had the extension a little while ago, and I don't know where I put it. Why does this always happen to me? Why does this always happen? Wow. Right here. We're gonna set this thing up to 20 foot-pounds. Set 20 right there. Right, now bump it up to 40. Bump it up to 40 now. Work my way up to 60. $80. All right, do it to 90. 90. I feel more safe at 90. Now, y'all know I'm kind of smart sometimes, but I put all these shims, well, hydraulic lifters, because that's what they are, hydraulic lifters. Put these all in order, and putting them back all in order because I want to have like the same grooves on the cams. But, I'm not gonna put the valve covers on till tomorrow because obviously I have to put the timing belt on. So yeah, I'm gonna just clean it up for now though before I put the cams in. Alright guys, so these are definitely labeled. This one will go right here. This one will go right here. There's another one. This one will go right here. Alright. Back to what I was saying. These go here. And these are only gonna go get torqued down to 8 foot-pounds of torque. If you don't know what 8 foot-pounds of torque in your hand feels like, bro. I don't know what's up. All right, guys, so real quick, I ran out of storage on my phone. I actually have to clear up a lot of stuff on my phone. This is where I'm gonna leave off at. Number one, I'm hungry. Number two, I'm always hungry. Number two, I don't want to do much because of this timing belt. I need to go get a new timing belt and everything. So this is where I'm leaving off, and I need to get that clamp for that cam. So leaving it off like this. This is just placed on there. I didn't even bolt that up yet, but car's almost done. I should hopefully be done by tomorrow. I know I said that in the last video, but hey, I'm taking my time. I don't want to mess this up. I want to do everything correctly. So in that note, going home, spending time with my family, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.